Searching for Shopify stores on Google is a straightforward process. Here's a brief guide. Use specific keywords. Utilize specific keywords related to the products or niche you are interested in. For example, if you're looking for clothing stores, use terms like clothing, apparel, or specific product names. Add Shopify to your search. Include Shopify in your search query to narrow down results to stores built on the Shopify platform. For example, you can search for fashion stores Shopify or best Shopify electronics stores. Filter results. After entering your search terms, review the search results. Look for URLs that include myshopify.com or indications in the meta description or title mentioning Shopify. Use Google Advanced Search Operators. Experiment with Google's Advanced Search Operators. For instance, you can use site myshopify.com followed by your keywords to specifically search within Shopify domains. Explore social media. Check social media platforms, especially Instagram and Pinterest, where many Shopify stores promote their products. You may find links to Shopify stores in social media profiles.